Hey, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video, video number 91 here. Uh, just finished having dinner, so I thought I'd sit in, record a video of last night's earnings. Got our report last night, so yesterday was 0.42%. As you can see, I made $73.92 on my money. So, getting to my investment here, guys, which I'm just going to load up here into the Forex market. I now have, this is out of 8 days. So today's Thursday. We haven't earned yet today. So today will be day number 9. But I made $740.92 out of 8 days of earnings, guys. And there's still 2 more days left. Thursday and Friday, and then Friday right after we get our earnings, usually about an hour after after that, it allows me to combine my two investments, which down below is here. I'm going to be combining these two, so the 22,550 and the 250 I'm going to combine, and it'll take the earnings, which is whatever, so it's 740.92 plus whatever I get Thursday and Friday. It'll shoot that up to the top here, guys, and that money I'll have access to withdrawal. So I'm hoping that'll be somewhere around a 900, give or take. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take 400 of, say, if it's around 900, I'm going to take 400 of it and reinvest it back in the system so that'll grow the principal. So after Friday evening, after we get our money and I do all that and I reinvest, so this will go to, 22,800. I'm going to add 400 on top of that, so it'll be 23,200. And so then I'll take the rest of the money, which should be about another for around $450, $500, and I'm going to take that money out, withdraw it to my S wallet from S Group here, and then from there I'll transfer it to my ShakePay account, because up here in Canada that's how we can transfer cryptocurrency into our checking account. So I'm going to transfer it from the S wallet here into my ShakePay account, and then I'll convert it to Canadian dollars because I'm in Canada, and then I'll e-transfer it to my bank account, and then I'll have access to the money. So last time I did it 2 weeks ago, it took me about 2.5 hours, the whole process from start to finish, because you have to wait for the transfer and the Bitcoin and stuff like that. That takes a little while, but yeah, within 2.5 hours, I have my money in my checking account, guys. So this is something I'm doing every 2 weeks now. I'm going to start taking $400 of my earnings, and then I'll just withdraw the rest. So this principal here will grow $400 every 2 weeks, guys. So if I'm making these percentages that I was telling you guys, these are daily percentages that I'm making Monday through Friday. See 0.74, 0.56, 0.25. If I'm making that off of this money here, this principal, every 2 weeks it's growing $400. You see how my earnings is going to just go up over time? Every 2 weeks it's like I'm getting a raise. Just think about having a job. Every 2 weeks you get a raise, guys. It's beautiful. So I want to make this 5-minute review video to show you guys my progress. I'm excited. This week has been pretty good. I'm averaging somewhere around like $90 a day. So earnings have been pretty well. I'm just waiting for today. So we should be earning, it's about, see, I'll take a look at the time down here, guys. It's 5:51, so in about 2 hours and 10 minutes, because 8 Central Time is when we get our earnings. So, yeah, make the money for today. And also another thing as well, guys, as you see, I just flipped over my all-time earnings, $20,001.54. That's how much money I've earned in the system since October of 2022. So, yeah, so just over 2 years, guys. So what is that, 2 years and about 3 months? Yeah, 2 years and 3 months. All right, so I wanted to make this daily review video, guys. Thank you guys very much for checking it out. If you're just looking at S Group, searching along, want to get more information on it, shoot me an email. My email's in the description down below. Also, if you're looking to join S Group and make this type of money passively, you can click on my sign up link. It's down below in the video, or sorry, down below in the description. And you can sign up under my team, join my team, and I'll walk you through everything, guys, on how to get things set up. Just shoot me an email. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the subscription button down below, and that way you can see all my progress and updates and everything. All right, see you guys in the next video. Take care.